Hi there, it's Darina from Darina's Craft, and today I'm presenting you the new SVG kit. It's floral oval frames and doilies. It's a huge set. It contains 23 pieces total. It has 4 frames for different floral frames and 4 oval doilies. Let me show you. It's the first one. It features delicate roses and rosebuds all over the frame. And each of the frame and doilies has its own underlayer to just to emphasize the delicacy of the top layer, or it can be always used as is. The second frame features rose flowers with rose leaves all over the frame, and the third frame has 4 roses and small rosebuds and its own underlayer. And the last one has 4 big roses with big leaves and its own underlayer. And then we have similar doilies. It's the one with 4 roses and leaves, then the doily with roses and rosebuds, and 2 big ones. This one, see, it features big roses and leaves and small roses with buds. I think it's my favorite. And the last one, doily, but not the least detail in this set. Each of this set also contains these small details that can be used as embellishments. See, they are so delicate. I will show them to you. And you may use them just on your scrapbook pages or whenever you like. For example, in the card. Or so what I like to do is to use these doilies as photo mats, or for example, what I love doing most is I like using these doilies for writing the greeting message in my cards. So when I do so, I also love to place some extra details here and here, or each of these small details has its own underlayer. So for example, we can do this like this. I will show you in the different color. And or each of the frames has its own small oval for the size of the frame. So we can use this frame to place on top for additional dimension. And then we can use either this detail on its own. I will show it to you. See, it's so delicate. Or we can put an underlayer that is included in the template, and it will be like this. So lots of options. And I wanted to show you one more thing, guys. I have it's like you can use the photo frames. I will just take a photo and place it over here. See, isn't it beautiful? I love to use it for say for a scrapbook page. I'll just grab a random paper and show it to you. Let's say I would like to use this paper as a scrapbook page. And I can also place this detail here and this detail here. Isn't it gorgeous? I love it. And I almost forgot to show you how you can also mix and match this this template. So you may use the underlayer from the doily and the top layer, the top lacy layer of the rose frame, and put it on top, and see how this frame looks like when it's done this way. So lots of variations, and you may use, in this case, see how gorgeous it looks when you use only this lacy layer and the underlayer from the doily with these small details. So check the links below the video to know where to download the templates. The templates are available at www.darinascrafts.com and on my Etsy shop, darinascrafts.etsy.com. And these templates are in SVG, DXF, EPS, FCM, Silhouette Studio, PDF, and PNG formats. So they are compatible with the electronic cutting machines such as Silhouette, Cameo, Cricut, and Brothek Scan and Cut. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye! If you like this video, subscribe to my channel for more paper crafting ideas and templates.